Hi everyone, you are watching Prostobank TV. My name is Olesya. Today I explain you how Westpac Overdraft work, who may be eligible and how to apply for one.
First, an important nuance. Westpac has officially closed traditional personal overdrafts to new applicants. Today, if you want an approved revolving line of credit, the bank offers the Westpac Flexi Loan from $4,000 to $50,000. On the other hand, if your balance simply drops below zero during everyday transactions, that is treated as an unarranged overdraft. We recommend deciding early whether you need a formal loan buffer or just want to control negative balance limits on your account. Practice shows that many clients try to withdraw cash at an ATM when their balance is zero. Keep in mind that standard Westpac ATMs and card terminals will simply decline the transaction. Accounts usually go into the negative through scheduled direct debits, recurring subscription charges, or offline transit taps like public transport fares. By the way, if a direct debit is declined due to zero balance, Westpac charges zero dishonor fees. To control whether your everyday account can go below zero, you should adjust your settings in the mobile app. Open the app, select your transaction account, tap Manage, and go to Manage Overdraw Preference. You can toggle this setting to enable or disable at any time. A useful tip here, disabling this feature prevents most unwanted charges, though certain delayed offline transactions may still process. When an account goes into the negative, Westpac charges a $15 daily overdrawn fee plus daily debit interest. However, here is a valuable insider hack. If you deposit enough money to bring your balance back above zero before 6 p.m. Sydney time on the same day, Westpac automatically waives the $15 fee. Between options, this simple timing trick saves significant money over time. If you need a permanent credit safety net, you can apply for the Westpac Flexi Loan. Eligibility requires you to be at least 18 years old, an Australian or New Zealand citizen or eligible visa holder, and have regular taxable income. You'll need a valid photo ID, 2 recent payslips, and a summary of your living expenses. Worth noting, active buy now, pay later accounts like Afterpay can reduce your approved borrowing limit. Applying for the Flexi Loan is fully digital and straightforward. Log in to Westpac Online Banking, select your requested limit between $4,000 and $50,000, fill out your financial details, and upload your income verification documents. After a quick digital identity check, you can sign your contract online. As practice shows, clearing unused store cards before applying significantly increases your approval speed. When making repayments on a Flexi Loan, Clause 10.1 establishes a strict repayment waterfall. Your deposits are automatically allocated first to account fees, then insurance premiums, followed by active term plans, promotional plans, and finally, your base plan balance. Practical experience shows that understanding this order helps you pay down debt faster and minimize ongoing interest charges. Finally, let us address critical pitfalls and legal protections. Active buy now, pay later accounts directly impact your borrowing capacity during credit checks. Furthermore, under Clause 15.2, Westpac retains the right of set-off to recover default debts from your other savings accounts. However, if your overdrawn account receives government support or pensions, Australian law protects your rights, allowing you to access up to 90% of your payment.
I'm sure you've got all needed information from this video, but if you have any questions, you may leave your comments. Subscribe Prostobank TV, follow our news, like it.